Hey guys, welcome back to Marty's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Rove R2-4k Dashcam. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the Rove R2-4k. This is the 4K model of the Dashcam. It says truth be told. So now let's open up the package. This is truly a 4K Dashcam. I have been using this for a while now, and I can clearly say this is the best one I have ever owned. So first off, let's open up the box and see what we get in this box. So you have some information on what kind of SIM card or SD card you need, a quick start guide. Then you have a 1-year warranty card. If you have any issues, you can return it with your warranty. Here is your user manual, how to set it up, how to connect things. This is where you can scan it so you can download the app onto your phone. And let's go into the package. So at the top you can see this is the Dashcam. So I'm just going to make my way into the other components. So I'll put that aside. And right here in this little box, if I can get this out, it's a little snugged in here. And this is where your power cord and your charger is going to be in. So this is your USB power cord to connect into your car. Here is another power cord. You have your car outlet plug. It's by Rove. This one offers 2 USB slots, so you can add another thing to that power support. And this little package right here is your suction cup. This will be connected to your windshield, so it will actually hold your dash cam. This is your little toggle thing to move around in your car to tuck in the wire for the power place. And right here you have some little stickies. I don't use any of these because it'll just taper into my car. So now let's make our way into the dash cam. So right here in the dash cam you can see, as soon as I can get out of this package, looks like a mini camera. Right here at the top or in the front, that is your lens. And then this is a touch screen. So you got some information. You've got your menu, your up, your emergency touch, your down, your open and config. So I'm just going to turn this on. This does have to be plugged in order for it to work. If it is not plugged in, it will not work because this does not have any batteries. So this has to be plugged in into the USB power port. So I'm going to try to turn this on. I think if you do turn it on and it's not connected, it might only last for like 10 seconds. Here at the bottom you have your power plug. You have your slot for your USB. And then you have your micro USB, your HD out. And on the other side, right here is where you'll put your SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and try to turn it on. And then once I turn it on and show you a little bit about this, I'm going to do a little driving so you can see the quality at night. Unfortunately, I don't think I got any scenes of during the day. So now this shows you, I have it set for 1920 by 1080 only because it takes less clips. Instead of like 1-minute clips, it takes like 5-second clips. So this does work while it's plugged in. If it's not plugged in, it will not work. As you can see, it says battery low because there's no battery. So this is what it looks like. It's really thin and lightweight. This is a 4K model. It does connect by a Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and get some footage of driving at night, and then hopefully I do have some footage of the day. So now as you can clearly see that it's got really good video through the night. So I'm just going to go over a little bit of the specs of this dash cam. This is a true 4K that does up to 2160p. Ultra HD video recording quality is good so that you can see a lot more clarity in nighttime. It does have loop recording. The loop recording, so if you don't use your SD card, it will just continue to loop over. It does have in-app Wi-Fi and GPS. You can view live video streaming within 10 feet of the camera, view your previously recorded videos, download any recorded videos. It also comes with a G sensor, which is a built-in G sensor, gets activity by sudden collision and locks the current video file as an important evidence for the future investigation in case somebody wants to do a false insurance claim. There's also a super night vision, so now you can see those license plate with a lot of clarity where other ones would be kind of choppy. So this does come with a super night clarity, and then you can see from the video it is very clear. There's also time-lapse video, so you have 1 frame per second, which is normal. You have 2 frames a second, which is a smooth, or 4 frames a second, which is the most smoothest. This model also comes with a parking mode. It's a 24-hour parking mode monitor that works with your battery from your car. If someone hits your car and impacts it, it actually is very sensitive, so it'll automatically pick up. And it has voice guidance. So for more information on this and where to purchase this, I will link all the details in the description. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that little notification button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Also a product review. Thanks for watching.